What's up guys, welcome to a new video. In today's video I want to help you guys create a MyProtein account. So let's get started. The first thing that you guys need to do is go on Google and search for MyProtein. Good, now you guys have to click on this one. Okay, now at the top you have the option for account and you have login or register. We're gonna click on register and we can begin. They're gonna ask you for your full name, so make sure you fill that in. Okay, now you guys need an email address. Okay, make sure you confirm the email, and you guys have to create a password. Okay, now confirm the password. Good. Your phone number, it's optional. I'm not gonna use mine. After that, click continue. And you're good to go. That's it. Now you can see here you have your account. That's pretty much it for this video. If I was helpful, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.